Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I will be destroying this iPhone 8. It doesn't work, it's on a charger and it doesn't work at all, and it is water damaged. The housing is bent like to hell. If you can see this, it's very smashed in and it has like no value to it. So we're just gonna destroy it. Okay, so I forgot to record, but I just threw it all like on the back from this iMac height, and it cracked. It's even more cracked. Oh my god! Corner drop. Nothing. Or yeah, the corner is more than thin, and now the LCD is the laminate or something. Whoa. Another corner drop. Shattered. So I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened to the footage after this. I think I lost it since I use a new camera app to record and have like maximum of 5 gigabytes of storage. And I think I recorded too much and now I don't have storage anymore, and the video just didn't record, and now there's like no footage at all. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Until next time, bye.